Everybody, you guys are finding me in my bathroom right now. I am just getting ready to go and do a launch demo for one of my girls that signed up as a distributor. But luckily I got the Tuscany lip color line in the mail today. I got all 4 of the new colors. I'm so excited. So I'm going to put Bella on right now for you guys. It's a little bit different than our other lip colors because this is a super matte color, so they want to make sure that we are applying thin layers, letting it dry completely, so it takes a little bit more than a couple of seconds. You really want to make sure it's dry between coats. And then using a gloss or a matte, not really the glitter colors with these particular, or excuse me, glitter glosses with these particular colors. But we're going to see how it turns out. So I'm going to apply each coat. I'm going to pause while I'm drying because I don't think you guys want to sit here watching me go for a whole minute. So I will start, I guess. Yay! My mirror's on this side, so I look a little funny. Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty color. Okay, first coat, look at how pretty already. I'm gonna dry it and then I'll be back. Okay, that's dry, so we're gonna do the second coat. Oh, I love it, I love it. Look at that. Okay, a dry session. Okay, this is our last coat.
I'm trying to open the pies. I'm trying to open the pies. Mom, let me open the pies.
Oh my God, you guys, this color is so pretty. Shh, honey, I'm doing a video. Don't mind my 2-year-old. Life doesn't stop for her. Or mommy's life doesn't stop for her. Anyways, look at this color. It is so pretty. I'm just gonna wait for this coat to dry. It's super matte. So I'm gonna put a glossy on top and head out to my demo. I hope you guys love this color as much as I do. If you want it, message me and I'll get it to you. Love you guys.